to make a brief self-introduction and make a brief statement of yourself in not more than 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and also Chairman of the committee, and all honorable members of this distinguished committee. I am Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi. On a lighter note, I'm usually called my DVD. I have been a member of parliament in this country for 3 terms. I served as member of Sabatia constituency, and I entered parliament in 1989. Subsequently, I've also held various public positions. I have served as a Minister for Supplies and Marketing, Minister for Finance, Minister for Agriculture, Minister for Transport and Communications. I have also served as Minister for Local Government and Deputy Prime Minister. I have also served a short stint as a Vice President of the Republic of Kenya. Mr. Speaker, I've also been a member of leading political parties in this country. I was a member of KANU. I served as chairman of Kakamega branch and Vihiga. I have also been a member of the ODM party, where I was up to the level of deputy party leader. And at the same time, I have served as vice chair. Coalition. That is a profile, Mr. Speaker. But I think just coming to the issues at hand, first of all, I just want to say through you that I am honored and privileged to appear before this committee so that we can talk about the kind of people and the kind of vision that is required to be able to make Kenya a better place and to improve on the governance and democratic processes of our country. Mr. Chairman, I will also, through this committee, extend my appreciation to the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for having seen it fit to nominate me to this position of Prime Cabinet Secretary. Mr. Speaker, we have just come out of an election as a nation, and the country is facing several challenges. So I take this initial appearance as being very critical so that the country can exit from the election mode and start looking at serious service delivery to the people of Kenya. Mr. Chairman, appearing before this committee is significant because it underpins the new constitution we have, and it also underpins the importance that Parliament plays and is going to play in the governance of this country and in shaping the lives of the people of Kenya. So I am honored and I am ready to respond to any questions that may arise. But I would also want at this early stage, Mr. Chairman, to also raise a few issues that may be of my personal integrity. One of the issues that has constantly and regularly been brought up is the issue of the golden bag. Mr. Speaker, I want to state here that At the age of 33, I was appointed to the Ministry of Finance. That is in 1993. That is when the Goldenberg saga had been in existence and was coming to its full-blown situation. This was really a scheme where the intention of government in terms of export compensation scheme went sour, and it was misused, and it cost the country a lot of damage and expenses. Mr. Speaker, I took up the role of dismantling the network of the Goldenberg Hydra. There are so many issues to this, and subsequently, Mr. Speaker, there was even a judicial commission of inquiry under the government of President Mwai Kibaki when he was elected. This commission of inquiry was conducted over a 2-year period. And Mr. Speaker, I just wish to draw members, and I'll be availing the document here, the report of the Judicial Commission of Inquiry, specifically to page 220. There's a paragraph there that is very distinct about me, I think paragraph 589, which clearly brings out the details and exonerates me and even lauds me for having been the individual that stood firm and scuttled and dismantled the Goldenberg scam. That is one issue that I would like to bring up front. The other issue that I would like to bring up front, Mr. Speaker, Chairman, is that when I was in the Ministry of Local Government, there was also an issue about the cemetery scam. This is an issue that entailed overpricing of land by the City Council of Nairobi at that time. There were allegations that threw issues on me.
The word of the Speaker.
Yes.
Chairman, I totally agree with the Honourable Member on the trajectory, but I wanted to indulge the Speaker, the Chairman, that at this session, at this point, the minutes you gave is just for self-explanatory introduction.
Yes.
We will come to those issues in due course, Your Excellency. I mean, Mr. Speaker, in due course.
Let him wind up on that.
Yes. Thank you. I'll wind up. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. I just want to state that that matter, again, was dealt with. It went through the courts, and after investigations by the relevant agencies, those who were culpable were tried and convicted, and I was not one of them. So, Mr. Speaker, I just want to state that it is important that these issues hopefully will come to rest as the details come out, and I want to assure the members of this committee that it is my intention to work very closely and cooperate with the National Assembly, with the legislature, in ensuring that we have a better country. Thank you.
Thank you for sticking to your 10 minutes. You have actually taken less. A few questions before